Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 32 for Hotel Management System in Laravel. And in this video, we are going to create our services CRUD. We will create the read, update, delete, okay, and we will create the models, migrations. Okay, in this video, we will start this services section. In our previous video, we have created the success and failure page, and we have also implemented the database insertion when we redirect to the success page. Okay, so let's start the services section. So what I will do, first of all, we will create the model and migration. So I will open the command line. Okay, and here I will enter the command php artisan make model service, and let's check that we don't have any services model. Yes, we don't have. Okay, so this is the thing, PHP artisan make model service. Okay, so and with the -m flag we will create the migration. Okay, so here we have created. Now let's open this migration file. Okay, where it is? Yeah. So in this video we will just create the model and migration, and we will see that how we can implement this in our PHP MyAdmin. Okay, I will show you. So we have fields. Let's go to the here. So we have photo, title, and this is small description. Then after when user click on this read more, then we will show the long description. Okay, so this will be title, this will be data type. Okay, so this is title. Okay, and then we have text. This is small description. Okay, and then this is long description. Okay, or you can say simply detailed description. Okay, and then we have another field that will be string data type, and that should be photo. Okay. Okay, so every field is required. Now what I will do here, I will just simply run php artisan make, not make, php artisan migrate. So it is migrated. Now let's open the php myadmin. We will open the hotel manage table, and here we have services, and here you can see that we have structure, title, small, and other things. Okay, now let's create the php artisan make controller, and the controller name is service controller. Okay, and this will be our resource controller. Okay, now what I will do here, I will open our controller. Actually we will not do anything in this video for in this controller, but we will just, I'm going to show you that what we have. Okay, so we have 5 methods. Okay, create, read, update, delete, view. Okay, now we will create listing and creation view, creation functionality, I mean create and read functionality in our next video. In this video I just want to show you that how we can create the model, migration, resource controller, and now we will create the resource route. Okay, so let's open the routes web.php, and here we have route. So I will just copy any of the resource route. I will copy this staff. Okay, now I will go here. Okay, now it will be our so this is staff, its name should be service CRUD. Okay, so this is the service, this is service, and this will be service controller. And of course we will import this at the top. So we will import this service controller. Okay, now in this index, let's echo something, echo index page. Okay, so that we will confirm that it is working. Okay, so we have created this service controller, we have created the migration model, we have created the resource controller, we have created the resource route also. So now let's go to the admin, let's go to admin and login, and we also need to add the link here. Okay, so what I will do, I will open the views where it is layout. Okay, and this is the above the booking, let's say above the, not above the booking, below the booking we will say services. Okay, and this will be service. Okay, and let's say icon will be table. Okay, so this is the thing. Now when we click on this, it will show index page. It means everything is working. Okay, and I will add the command in the description of this video so that you can copy. And I have also I have already added the commands, most of the commands in every video, so that you can get the help easily. And if you have any confusion, any doubt, then please ask in the comment section. So in our next video, I will implement the creation and reading things. Okay, so we will see that how we can create the, how we can add the data in the database and how we can list the data. And then in the next we will see that how we can update and delete. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand all the things. If you have any confusion, then please watch this video again, and if you have still confusion, then please add in the comment. I will try to solve this as soon as possible. And please like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and yeah, this is the things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.